Hello children, today we are going to do the second exercise of Heron's formula. In this exercise we are going to find out the area of figures where two or more than two triangles are involved. Now using the same formula, Heron's formula, we are going to do it. So what is the Heron's formula? To find out the area, that is root S in the bracket S minus A, S minus B and into S minus C. So using that formula we are going to do the next exercise. Now let us take the first question of the exercise. The first question is, a park in a shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degrees. AB is 9 meters, BC is 12 meters, CD is 5 meters and AD is 8 meters. How much area does it occupy? So now the given figure is in the shape of quadrilateral and we have to find out the area of the quadrilateral. Now here we are going to divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So in the figure you can see there is a quadrilateral ABCD. The sides are 12, 5, 8 and 9. So using any other formula for quadrilateral we cannot find out the area. So we are going to divide it into two triangles and then find out the area. Now let us take first one triangle, that is BCD. In BCD 12 and 5 is given and BD is not given. So we'll find out BD first using Pythagoras. So BD square is BC square plus CD square. So you'll get BD as 13. Now that 13 we are going to find out the area. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So we'll find out triangle ABD's area first. Now that is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what are the dimensions? 13, 9 and 8. So to find out semi-perimeter, 13 plus 9 plus 8, that gives us 13 by 2 is 15. So 15 into 15 minus 13 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8, that gives us 15 into 2 into 6 into 7. If you split the numbers, you will get 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 7. Now to find out the root, whatever double numbers are there, we are going to take it out because that will be the root of the number. So there are 3 2's, so take 1 2 out. There are 2 3's, take 1 3 out and the remaining numbers will be in the bracket. So 3 into 2 is 6, will be outside the bracket, that is the root of that number, and 5 into 7, that is 35, will be in the root. So that is the area of the first triangle. Now area of the other triangle, that is triangle BCD. Semi-perimeter is 13 plus 12 plus 5 by 2, that is 15. Put all these three sides A, B, C in the formula into semi-perimeter, that gives us 30 centimeters square as the area. Now to find out the area of that quadrilateral, both the triangles you have to add, that is 6 root 35 plus 30. So root 35 is 5 into 5.91. If you multiply it, you will get 35.46 as the area of the first triangle, and in that add 30 as the area of the second, that gives you 65.46 meters square is the area of the quadrilateral. Now let us take question number 5. The question is, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meters and its longer diagonal is 48 meters, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting to graze? Now it's a rhombus shaped field. You can see that figure on the screen. So the rhombus is all four sides are equal, that is all 30, and one diagonal is given, that is 48. So there are two triangles now which dimension are 30 30 48 and 30 30 48. So we'll find out area of one triangle and we'll double it, so you'll get area of that rhombus. and then we'll see how much each cow will get the place to graze. So area of the triangle using the formula, Heron's formula. First find out semi-perimeter, that is 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2, that gives us 54. So area of the first triangle into 2 if you do, the area of first triangle is 432 using the formula. Multiply it with 2, that is 864 meters square, that is the area of the rhombus. Now to find out how much grass field each cow will get to graze, so that is 864 by 18 is equal to 48 meters square. So each cow will get 48 meters square of area to graze. Now let us go to the sixth question. The question is, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So this umbrella is stitched. The cloth is used of two colors and each color 5 pieces are used, and the dimension of one triangle is given. So area of cloth required, we will find out first area of one piece into 10. To find out the area, we are going to find out the semi-perimeter of one triangle, that is 20 plus 50 plus 50 by 2 is 130 by 120 by 2 is 60. So put that into formula, that is 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50. The whole answer will be multiplied with 10 to find the area of the total cloth. So when you do that, you will get 60. If you split, you will get 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 10 is 2 into 5, and again 10 is 2 into 5. To take the root, whatever double numbers are there, you are going to take 1 for each. So as it is 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. That are the double numbers which I have taken as root, and the remaining single numbers whatever are there, they will be as it is in the bracket, that is 1 2 is single and 1 3 is single. So 2 into 3 will be in the bracket into 10. So 200 root 6 is the area of one triangle. Into 100 if you do, you will get 2000 root 6 meter square area required for the whole umbrella. Now it is of two colors, so each color cloth will be 1000 root 6, so half of that. So each color 1000 root 6 meter cloth has to be used to make that umbrella. Now let us go to the 8th question. The question is like this, children. A floral design on the floor is made up of using 16 tiles which are in triangular. The side of the triangular being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tile at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So there is a floral design on the tile where 16 tiles, 16 triangles are used, and then after that you have to find out the area of that 16 triangle and then cost of polishing that tile. So first find out the area of triangle, that is 16 into area of one triangle, one tile. So one tile is 9 plus 28 plus 35 by 2, that gives you 36 as semi-perimeter. Put that into formula, that gives you 36 into 27 into 8 into 1, and the whole root is multiplied with 16 because there are 16 tiles. So root of, when you split 36 and 27, you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. When you split 27, you will get 3 into 3 into 3. If you split 8, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 and 1 as it is. Now to find out the root, for each two numbers you have to take one number out of the root. So there are 4 2's, so 2 2's will come out. There are 4 3's, those also will come out, and then remaining 1 3 and 1 2 will remain as it is in the root. So that gives you 36 root 6 into 16. That gives you 576 root 6 is the area of all 16 tiles. Multiplied with 2.44 to find out value, that root 6 is 2.44, that gives you 1405 into 0.44 centimeter square. That is the area of all 16 tiles. Now cost of polishing is 0.5 rupees per centimeter square. So multiply that rate into area, that gives you 702.72 rupees. Here we'll stop, children. The remaining sums of the exercise you have to do. Complete the exercise. If any doubt, let me know. Till then, bye. Take care.